Hello and welcome back. Susan Zummo here, intuitive and originator of soul patterning harmonics. Today's message is going to be a little different than usual, and that's because I'm going to ask you to join with me as we go through some of the information and messages that I'm going to be talking about. So as I did the tune-in this morning, what I heard so clearly was, can you hear it? Are you hearing the call of your soul? Because your soul is calling out to you. And I said, yes, I can. And I want to be in communication with my soul. And so they said, listen, listen. Your soul is calling out to you at this time. Your soul, the aspect of infinite love, creator source love, is calling you at this time and reaching out to you in a way that is meant to bring you closer, to draw you in, and to surround you with the love, frequency, and support that you need to move forward. And so what I was given was for us to sit quietly and listen for the call of the soul. Now, for some of us, that is going to mean using the inner hearing. For some of us, it will be a feeling. I think for most of us, it's going to be a feeling as soon as we connect. All we have to do is have the intent to connect. I had to laugh because they said, you don't need a special number. You don't need a special connection. You don't need special equipment to answer the call of the soul. You are the equipment. Your connection, your special phone number is built into you. It's in your DNA. And so all you have to do to activate that connection, dial that number, call that line, is have the intent to connect. Send out an invitation. And they said, go ahead and send it out now, right now. So today, I'm going to ask you to take a deep breath for a moment. Stop whatever it is that you're doing in this moment, just at this time, and send your awareness to your heart. Center in your heart. And as you allow yourself to move deep into your heart center, listen for the call of your soul. Listen, feel, see, know. And as you hear that call, answer the call. Send out your intent to connect. Call out to your soul and invite your soul into that space to surround you, to hold you, and to pour its loving energy into you and fill you completely. When we answer the call of the soul, all possibilities open for us, all realms open for us, and all knowledge will open for us. And all of the things that you wish to accomplish or know or see will be there for you. And you will have the entire universe within you to explore. And so accept the call from your soul. Listen to what your soul is wanting to speak to you and communicate with you. It's going to be so easy because your soul is you. And as you make that connection, just feel how good it feels. It's absolutely fantastic. Everyone has this ability. No one has more of this ability than anyone else. There may be more layers to get through in order to hear that call, but that does not mean that you have any less ability than anybody else. As we progress through these next few months, and definitely into next year, you will want to be in communication with your soul. And you will want to be very comfortable with communicating with your soul. It only takes a moment. All you have to do is stop for a moment and listen. Stop for a moment and answer the call. Now is the time. This month of November is a time of preparation. It is a time of gathering resources and collecting all of the tools that you're going to need as we move forward. And this is one of the most important, if not the important tools you could possibly have. And so today's message is about connecting, answering the call, preparing to move forward. You do not want to move into the future without your soul as your companion, your guide, your expert in the field. Take your open communication with your soul into every aspect of your life, every encounter, every situation, and every moment that you can. And it will be invaluable for you. This is what we want to focus on in the next week. So I'm going to ask you, if you will, take 1 minute, sit quietly, move into your heart, and answer the call of your soul. You're going to be absolutely amazed at what's in there. And you're going to have a lot of fun with it too, because it's going to open universes, worlds, experiences to you. Even if you're comfortable with doing it, make a conscious effort during this next week and just see what happens. You may be pleasantly surprised. You may have a great adventure. And if you do, I want you to share it with us. That's what I heard for us for this week. Can you hear it? Your soul is calling you. And if you answer the call, it's going to be absolutely fantastic for you. I know this is a short message, but there's a lot in there to unpack. And I also want you to know that as we have been speaking to you today and recording this message, the frequency of my higher and my soul has been carried through on the voice. And as that frequency surrounds you, I hope that you can feel a little bit of what it is like to be in communication with the soul. I hope that it lifts your spirit and it helps create a space of peace and comfortability for you to make that connection. Please do this every day, and you will be very happy that you did. Well, there you have it. I'm working on new classes. I'm working on putting together new focus for the next year. And as I get them out and get them done, I will be happy to share them with you. I will be having a Higher Consciousness Café in December, but not in January. And they will be a little more sporadic next year as I have more work and more classes to do. But until then, everything is down below. Feel free to connect. And if you're interested in a private session, reach out and let me know. Until next week, I wish you many blessings and lots of connection.